Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Acer monitor to PS5. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If you want to connect Acer monitor to PS5, then you will need to follow some steps. If the monitor has an HDMI in socket, then just plug in the HDMI code that come with the PS5 to the monitor will work. It will be like plugging a PS5 up to a TV. If the monitor only has DisplayPort sockets, then you will have two options. You will get an HDMI 2.1 to DisplayPort adapter or two. You will get a new cable that has HDMI 2.1 on one side or DisplayPort 2.0 on the other side. Once you get either of those, you will need to plug the HDMI cable into your PS5 and plug the DisplayPort into your monitor's DP in input. If you want to the adapter route, you will need to plug the HDMI cable into the adapter. And if your monitor, for whatever reason, only has Thunderbolt 3 or 4 ports, USB-C ports, then you will have to do something similar to the one directly above. You will either need to have an HDMI 2.1 to Thunderbolt 3/4 adapter or a cable that has HDMI 2.1 on one side and Thunderbolt 3/4 on the other side, like the above. You will need to plug the HDMI cable into PS5, and in case of the adapter, the HDMI cable would also need to plug into it and plug the Thunderbolt 3/4 side into the monitor. If for some reason your monitor is using VGA or DAY input, then you can get adapter for it. The HDMI cable is look like this. So we'll need to connect one side to your PS5 and one side into your monitor. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.